Hi. Okay.
Hi, my name is Carrie and I'm an interpreter here at NaturalBridges State Beach, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about galls. Galls are a thing that are induced by an insect, usually, and it is induced into a plant. So the insect will create, using chemicals, an abnormal growth in this plant. And this growth can function as a nursery for that insect's larva. So they will lay their eggs, and then the growth tissue around the plant will continue to swell and get really big. These are really interesting because it's a relationship between the insect and the plant without being either of those two things. So California is an awesome place to look at galls. There are so many different colors and shapes and sizes, and NaturalBridges is a really great place in California to look at those galls. So I have a couple to share today that you can find right here at our park. These ones are oak wasp galls, and they are induced by a wasp, and they can get really big, and there can be dozens of them in a tree. When they first form, they are bright green and shiny, and they look just like apples, but they taste nothing like apples. And the wasp their larva will be inside, and it'll develop in there, and then it'll come out, and that is the nursery for that wasp. There's also a really cool relationship with some birds. Some birds, like sapsuckers, will drill into these and eat the larva out of them. Another gall I have is from the shrub coyote brush, and this is a gall caused by a fly called a midge, and this is one of the most common galls, midge galls, in California. So the female will lay her eggs on the tip of a bud of the coyote brush, and the plant will swell around it, creating this home for her larva. After 30 to 70 days, those larvae are going to worm out to the top and create a cocoon on the tip. And in nature, these galls fail about 80% of the time because they're parasitized by other wasps. The final gall I have for us is on this tree, and this is a eucalyptus tree, which we have a lot here. It's the kind of tree that the butterflies love to come and overwinter in. So the galls are all along these leaves, and they are caused by another wasp. And these might look ugly to some people, but luckily they do not affect the long-term growth of our tree. So we have our eucalyptus and we love them. So thank you very much for listening to my talk about galls. They're really cool, they're really strange, and a lot of fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.